Hello everyone, welcome to SpeakUp. Today I'm going to tell WH question and their meaning, also sentences. So let's go into the video. What? Ki? What's your name? When? Kokun? When do you go to school? Where? Kothai? Where do you live? Why? Kano? Why do you cry? How? Kibhabe? How do you go to school? Whom? Kake? Whom do you like? Who? Ke? Who are you? Which? Kunti? Which book do you like? Which? Kati? Which book do you read? With whom? Kar shate? With whom do you play? What for? Ki jono? What do you take me for? For whom? Kar jono? For whom do you wait? About whom? Kar samporke? Whom are you talking about? What type of? Camon? What type of books do you enjoy reading in your free time? How often? Kotobar? How often do you brush in a day? How long? Kotokun? How long do you study? How much? Koto? How much do you want? What kind of? Camon? What kind of music do you enjoy listening to? How far? Kotodur? How far is the restaurant? How many? Koto? How many friends do you have? That's all about this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.